Hey everybody, Mortgage Hero Bob here. Today I want to share exactly how I built a $10 million mortgage pipeline in just 30 days. Now before we get started, this isn't a video about luck. It's not a video about having some secret lead source. And it's definitely not a video about working fewer hours and somehow making more money. This is a video about creating a plan, identifying opportunities, staying disciplined, and executing every single day. Because whether you're a loan officer, a real estate agent, a business owner, or someone simply trying to grow a business, the principles I'm about to share can apply to almost anyone. When I started building my plan, I realized something very quickly. I couldn't put all of my eggs in one basket. I couldn't rely on just FHA loans. I couldn't rely on just realtors. I couldn't rely on just self-employed borrowers. I needed multiple streams of opportunity flowing into my pipeline. Think of it like investing. Don't put all of your money into one stock. The same applies to building a mortgage business. You need multiple borrower profiles, referral sources, and loan programs. The first place I started was FHA financing. Why? Because FHA borrowers are some of the most active buyers in today's market. These are people ready to purchase now. Many don't have massive down payments saved and need guidance throughout the process. Many are looking for education and someone who will actually answer their questions. FHA represented a huge, consistent opportunity. Within a very short period of time, FHA loans made up roughly 25% of my pipeline because they were frequent opportunities. Sometimes consistency is more valuable than size. Next, I focused heavily on first-time homebuyers who needed down payment assistance. This was another huge opportunity because people believe they need 20% down to purchase a home. Many have good jobs, stable income, and decent credit. What they don't have is a large amount of cash sitting in the bank. When you educate people about DPA programs, you immediately expand your pool. That strategy added another 15% to my pipeline. And more importantly, it allowed me to help people who otherwise thought homeownership was years away. After that, I focused on what I believe is one of the largest underserved markets: business owners, self-employed borrowers, entrepreneurs. The reality is that many successful business owners write off expenses. Their CPA loves them, their mortgage lender usually doesn't. I've seen owners making hundreds of thousands per year show little income on tax returns. That's where bank statement loans become powerful. Instead of tax returns, we analyze deposits through business accounts or profit and loss statements to determine qualifying income. This became one of my biggest contributors. Roughly 30% of my pipeline came from business owners utilizing bank statement financing. And the best part? Many of these borrowers had already been told no somewhere else. Then I focused on medical professionals. Doctors are busy. Many have high student debt but are just entering high-income careers. There are programs designed specifically for them, so I started networking within the doctor community. Eventually, that effort led to a $2 million doctor loan. That single transaction made a massive contribution and reinforced the value of finding niche markets where you provide unique solutions. Finally, I focused on real estate investors. This required a completely different strategy. I was waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning. While many were asleep on the West Coast, I was on the phone with contacts throughout the East Coast and Midwest. I spent hours networking. I introduced people to DSCR loans, which allow investors to qualify based primarily on property cash flow rather than personal income. It's an incredibly powerful tool for growing portfolios. Those early morning conversations translated into several investor opportunities and DSCR loans. What did my day look like? 5 until 8 East Coast investors, at 8 West Coast owners, home buyers, and FHA, networking twice a week. Day after day, week after week, consistent action. And here's the biggest lesson. The goal isn't necessarily a $10 million pipeline. The goal is to create a target that excites you and then build a plan to achieve it. Maybe your first goal is 2 million, start there. The number itself isn't what's important. What's important is having a destination. Without one, you can't map out the journey. Set realistic goals, push yourself further every month, track your progress, adjust your strategy, and keep moving forward. You might be surprised what you can accomplish in 30 days. I'm Mortgage Hero Bob. Follow me for more mortgage content. See you on the next deal.